When a doctor prescribes a medication, patients usually follow the instructions given. But when a doctor makes a behavioral suggestion like quitting smoking or cutting back on sweets, those recommendations are often ignored.
As KRTV's Aaron Shermerly reports, a new statewide parks and recreation program should change the way doctors prescribe exercise while creating a pathway to health. She joins us now to explain. Aaron?
Tim, Katie, it's not news that obesity rates are continuing to soar among adults and children, but now more than 61% of Montanans are overweight or obese. Health professionals are experimenting with a new prescription plan that not only promotes exercise, but is also free. 30 minutes of walking a day is the minimum recommended amount of physical activity for adults. But in fact, physical inactivity is one of the 3 primary behaviors leading to an increase in chronic diseases. Health officials say it's clear not everyone is taking the suggestion.
A suggestion from a doctor is very different from doctor's orders.
Trails RX is a new program aiming to change the way doctors are prescribing exercise, just as they would with pharmaceutical medication.
They say, you have an infection. You need to take this antibiotic twice a day for 14 days. So it's exactly the same thing. You have these chronic conditions that we know physical activity will help you to get better. And so the physical activity itself is the medication that that patient needs.
Essentially, the doctor will give their patient a choice of taking their medication in one lump sum, 1 30-minute walk a day, or 3 times a day, 3 10-minute walks a day. Then, instead of a visit to the pharmacy, the patient will get resources on finding trails in the community and how to map their medical miles.
This is absolutely a free prescription, if you will. You know, the healthcare system, the way that it's set up, we're all paying into pretty much everybody's health. And so it concerns all of us and hits all of our pocketbooks.
Missoula County is working with their community medical center and is nearly ready to begin the first pilot program of Trails RX. In Great Falls, Aaron Shermerly, MTN News. Other cities also interested in implementing the program include Great Falls, Helena, and Shelby. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Aaron. The electric